ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. Okay, so I hope you have already been watching the short stories and the long stories which I am uploading in Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, my channel. If not, I leave the playlist link here. Please do check out the stories and also the link will be mentioned in the description box. Okay, so start ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಯಾವುದು? ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಮೃಗಾಲಯ. ಮೃಗಾಲಯ ಅಂದರೆ ಝೂ. Okay, so we'll start. ಅಂದು ಭಾನುವಾರ. That day is a Sunday. ಭಾನುವಾರ is a Sunday. ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ರಜೆ, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹಾಲಿಡೇ. ಶಾಲೆ is a school, ರಜೆ is a holiday. ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಶ್ರುತಿ. The name of the boy is a ಸಂತೋಷ್ and the girl is a ಶ್ರುತಿ. ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ, ತಂದೆ is a father, ತಾಯಿ is a mother. With ತಂದೆ and ತಾಯಿ ಮೃಗಾಲಯ ನೋಡಲು ಹೊರಟರು. They went to ಮೃಗಾಲಯ. ಮೃಗಾಲಯ is a zoo. Okay, ನೋಡಲು to see ಹೊರಟರು. They left. ಮೊದಲು ಅವರು ದೇ ಹಸಿರು, ಹಳದಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಹೊರದೇಶಗಳ ನೀಲಿ ಗಿಳಿಗಳ ಕಂಡರು. ಗಿಳಿ is a parrot. ಹೊರದೇಶ is a foreign. So first they saw a parrot which is of a hasiru, green color, haladi, yellow color, and hasiru, haladi, and ಹೊರದೇಶದ the outer foreign country ದು ನೀಲಿ ಗಿಳಿ. ನೀಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ parrots ನ they saw, ಕಂಡರು is a they saw. ನಂತರ ಲೇಟರ್ ಕರಡಿಯ ಪಂಜರದ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೊರಟರು. ಕರಡಿಯ ಪಂಜರ is a cage. So they went towards the cage of a karadi. Karadi is a bear. Okay. ಶ್ರುತಿ ಗುಂಡಾಗಿರುವ ಕರಡಿಯ ಮರಿ ಕಂಡು ಸಂತೋಷಿತಳಾದಳು. ಶ್ರುತಿ saw the ಗುಂಡು ಅಂದರೆ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಗುಂಡಾಗಿದೆ, ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾರು? ದ ಕರಡಿ ಬೇಬೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಶಿ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ದಟ್. ಹೀಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹುಲಿ, ಟೈಗರ್, ಸಿಂಹ, ಲಯನ್, ಆನೆ, ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್, ಒಂಟೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಮಲ್ ಮುಂತಾದ ಮೆನಿ ಮೋರ್ ಮೃಗಗಳನ್ನು, ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದರು. ದೇ ಸಾ. ಸಂಜೆಯ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಬೈ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಂತಸದಿಂದ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಲಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಟು ದ ಹೌಸ್ ಮರಳಿದರು. ದೇ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಡ್. So this is the story of a Mrugalaya. I hope you got to learn the more animal names and the color names and many more things, alva. So make sure you make a note of all those things and do also let me know in the comment section whatever you learned in this story, either the sentence or the words, and I'll be very happy to look into it. And comment maadi if you have any doubt, or write a mail to yashaswikannadavaani@gmail.com. See you soon with a few more short stories and the long stories very soon anta helta. Thank you so much. Namaskara. Dhanyavadagalu. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist name Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like maadi, share maadi, subscribe maadi. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification So that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.